What's up, everybody? This is Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. A single box break of Pop Century for Daniel. Good luck. Alright. Some Mini-Me Mojo to start. Vern Troyer. Ooh, nice auto. Jenny Finch out of 25. I like it. Swinging the bat, too, in the USA uniform. That was cool. So Jenny Finch silver, 5 out of 25. Third auto is, of course, the lovely Jamie Lynn Siegler. Not worth a whole lot, but pretty to look at. And you got a red. Could be big money. Let's see who you got. If that's Priscilla Presley, dude, damn, that's money. 1 out of 2. Holy short print. That is sick, dude. Her autos last year sold like $70 for the base. That's big money. 1 out of 2. Most reds are out of 5, so that is an extreme short print. Awesome, dude. Big money, big money. Solid box overall, too. That is awesome. Elvis's daughter, true. I figured you knew that. That'll get huge dollars. Yeah, for sure. 1 out of 2. Damn, man. Auto is beautiful, too. Just the P's off the sticker. Top of the P. That's a couple hundred. Easy. Her, like I said, her base autos in last year's, we had a bunch of them. We got like $60, $70 a piece. So red out of 2, I gotta think 200 to 300. That's awesome. Congrats, man. Daniel. The Pop Century. Alright, we got 6 randoms left. We'll go ahead and start this shortly. We'll take whatever's left. Another 5 minutes, and we'll start. $35 on a 4-box jumbo break, guys. Anybody else want a spot? You're more than welcome to hop in. Danny, I need you to let me know what black Jerko we're talking about here, buddy. Later, True. Running it back, all right. 1, 2, or 3. Black Jerko in the consignment pile from 14 Topps Crime non-auto. So Dustin spotted it and just texted true, and you guys worked the deal out? That's what happened? I have no idea what this card even is. Alright, so... I don't know why he doesn't alert me to these things before he does them. Hold on a second. Unreal, man. No, me either. I'm like, True's texting me today about a black jerk. I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. Middle? Alright. Okay, another box of pop for Daniel. We got 6 left on the next Bowman Chrome, guys. Starting probably right after this box. Anybody else wants in on Bowman Chrome? Oh, you got an autograph pop out there. Alright, top auto, Adriana Curry. She is famous from America's Next Top Model, and she was married to Peter Brady. The surreal life. So, Adriana Curry. And she plays World of Warcraft with Nate. Bonus points. Alright, blue, Kevin Sorbo, Hercules, 6 out of 10. The little Hercules mojo out of 10. I don't know how well he sells, not sure. And third auto, George Steele. This is one hairy dude. One hairy dude. WWF Hall of Famer. And the Professional Wrestling Hall of Fame. The Animal. And looks like an inscription. Yeah, it's an inscription, like the Trinity style inscriptions. Good luck. It is the Hulk. It's like a large man box there. You got the Hulk, the Animal, and Hercules. And then Adriana Curry. Don't make me angry. That's actually pretty sweet. That's cool. 46 out of 60. Luke Ferrigno, Don't Make Me Angry. That's a cool box. Definitely the large man box, though. So Nate picked the large man box. Is he a douche? Never met him. All right, Daniel. Here you go. Okay, guys, we're going to take the last 6, absolute last call. Does anybody else want a random? What up, Adam? How you doing, man? Adam, if you want in on Bowman Chrome Jumbo, very good random, 35 bucks. I got 6 left. That's the break that's about to go down. That's what we got. Just a minute, see if Adam wants in. Adam's going to take 2. Alright, so we only got 4 left. We'll keep them. Maybe we'll sell in the next minute. I think it was an average box. I don't think it was too bad. Depends if you like Lou Ferrigno or not, really. I just definitely posted the wrong link. There's the link, Adam. Yes, random teams are excellent, buddy. Top teams in the product: Cubs, White Sox, Mariners, Dodgers, Nationals. Out of the 18 spots, those are probably 5 of the top 7 teams, if not 8. You're looking for the Cubs or the White Sox for the top 2. Mariners, Dodgers, Yankees, and Nationals all have solid autos too, or a lot of autos. It's rookie prospect stuff. Alright, so Jose's in. Checking if I missed anybody's emails here. Sounds good, Daniel. I've got only 4 left after that. Alright, got Adam for 2. Good to go, and Daniel, here we go, we'll do your last 2 pops. We'll start the bowling break. Good luck, man. Holy. You got a massive card, dude. Save that box for last. I think I know what that is. Here's the other box. I think you're going to be happy. Okay. Jason Earls, 25. Parallel on the top. That's always a good start. 20 out of 25. Jason Earls. From Hannah, Montana. He was in the National Treasures movies. Mario Lopez, 1 out of 5 blue. Damn, you got all color in this box, I think. Little Saved by the Bell action. 1 out of 5 Mario Lopez. Middle auto. Damn, dude. Magic Johnson. Magic Johnson. In Pop Century. That is awesome. How sweet is that? Okay, Adam. Sounds good, buddy. I will make sure we change that address. Magic Johnson. Awesome. And Bruno Sammartino, another wrestler, 7 out of 10. WWF. WWWF. Worldwide Wrestling Federation. And he's in the WWE Hall of Fame. Alright, that box was pretty good. Oh yeah. Wait till you see what you got on the bottom, man. Adam Baldwin. That's the actors from Firefly. That's pretty sweet. That's cool. Jane from Firefly. Adam Baldwin. And Tara Reid out of 25. Everybody loves Tara Reid. Who doesn't love Tara Reid? 22 out of 25. Looks like a on-card. No, it is a sticker coming up next. Trainwreck Tara. So that's silver out of 25. You got Erica Eleniak. Oh my god, the card underneath is autographed too. 1989 Playboy Playmate of the Month, and she was in E.T. and Baywatch. Erica Eleniak. Check it out, brother, and congratulations. Boom. James Gandolfini Celebrity Wardrobe Dressing Room. How sick is that? Yeah, that is unbelievable. Gandolfini Dressing Room. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There's only 4 left in the case, Daniel. There should be 4 on the website. No box left behind. That is a hell of a haul you just had, man. 20 bucks. Wow. Sick. That was a heck of a Pop Century break. Alright, we gotta take a break from Pop Century to rip this Bowman, guys. Let's do the random and see what everybody winds up with. Good luck, ladies and gents. That is crazy. It looked like a tie relic, Lair. Let me save this video.